Think, a film on road safety, presented by Pune Traffic Police in association with Chevrolet, General Motors India. Our aim is to encourage safer behavior to reduce the number of people killed and injured on our roads every year. Road safety is one of the nation's most serious public health issue. It has an impact on everyone, whether you drive, walk or cycle. Every year, thousands of men, women and children die in road accidents. It is said that more than 1.2 million people are killed in road accidents worldwide. Every year, 3 to 4% of gross national product is lost in road accidents. Have you ever thought what it feels like when a child never comes back home from school after a bus crash? The misery of a family whose member while road crossing ends up permanently handicapped? When a family loses its sole bread earner after a rashly driven bus knocks over a motorcyclist? This is height of our insensitiveness towards the loss of human life. Humans act so inhumanly when we do not bother to provide aid or even stop our vehicle to see what has become to the person we just crushed. Ordinary human tendency is to expect others, but not oneself to maintain road discipline. Children tend to learn and follow the footsteps of elders. Traffic rules are not just in context of the traffic lights. Even those are not followed. Let's have a look at the common causes of accidents. The common causes: driver's fault 77.91%, pedestrian fault of passengers 1.36%, mechanical defect in vehicles 2.01%, bad roads 1.32%. Other factors like bad weather, cattle coming in the way, fallen trees, road blockage, absence of rear reflectors, road signages, non-functioning of road signals, etc. 17.40%. Watch and think. Use of mobile while driving. You are 4 times more likely to crash if you use a mobile phone while driving. Reaction times for drivers using a phone are around 50% slower than normal driving. Even careful drivers can be distracted by a call or text, and a split-second lapse in concentration could result in a crash. It's illegal to use a handheld mobile when driving on the road. If you are caught, you could be fined and lose your license, and your insurance cost could go up. Don't make or answer calls when you are driving. It's illegal to use a handheld mobile when driving on road, even if you have stopped at traffic lights, or are stuck in a traffic jam, or are in a car park. Park safely before using your mobile phone. Don't call other people when they are driving. Always wear a seat belt. There is evidence that people are less likely to use seat belts on short or familiar journeys. This puts them at serious risk of injury in a crash. The law: drivers and passengers who fail to wear seat belts in the front and back of the vehicle are breaking the law. Advice: always wear a seat belt. In a crash, you are twice as likely to die if you don't. Not wearing a seat belt can be a fatal decision even on short, familiar journeys and at low speeds. Drink driving. 14% of road fatalities in 2010 were caused by drink driving. A drink drive conviction can result in job loss, strain on personal relationships, and higher insurance cost. Tolerance to alcohol depends on a combination of factors: weight, age, gender, stress, and recent food consumption. A drink drive conviction can result in a prison sentence, driving ban, and fine. There is no excuse for drink driving. If you are planning to drink alcohol, plan how to get home without driving. Don't accept a lift from a driver you know has drunk alcohol. Helmet use saves life. Increasing helmet use promoted as an effective method of reducing road injuries and deaths. Use of helmets saves you from head injuries. Wrong and thoughtless parking. Wrong and thoughtless parking creates problem for all. It reduces the carriage width of the road. The traffic flow is affected, resulting into unnecessary traffic jams and chaos. Don't do thoughtless parking. Make sure that you are parking your vehicles in parking zone. Speeding. The difference of few miles per hour can mean the difference between life and death. The faster someone is driving, the less time they have to stop if something unexpected happens. If you kill someone while speeding, you will have to live with the long-term emotional consequences. Speed limits are there for a reason. Speed is one of the main factors in fatal road accidents. Drive to suit the conditions of the road. Driving too fast for the conditions is bad driving. Consider the consequences of causing an accident due to driving at excessive speed. Don't assume it's safe to break the speed limit on rural roads because there is a less traffic or an open road ahead. Improper crossing. The illegal breaking of road dividers to allow vehicles and people to cross the road bypass has gradually turned into a death trap. Not using the zebra crossing can be fatal. Dividers are for your safety. We need to understand the importance of lane driving. Remember, improper crossing can be fatal. This is not the end. Triple driving, overloading, violating signals, carelessness on roads, neglecting the instructions affect your safety on road. See how the path for cyclists are used by others. The encroachments on road is another issue which is contributing to traffic jams and an alarm to the safety of people.
हर एक सिटीज़न ने, हर एक नागरिक ने जब रास्ते पर आए तो 100% नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए, तो ही ये ट्रैफिक सेफ हो सकती है.
Safety, security, satisfaction of Pune citizens is the motto of Pune Police. Pune Traffic Branch is committed to safer Pune. Pune Traffic Branch is constantly striving to achieve 100% safety on the roads. The Pune Traffic Police have put themselves on Facebook. They are proactive in addressing some of the traffic-related woes we face, as well as providing very useful information. It is seen that children tend to learn and follow the footsteps of elders. But children can go one step ahead, and the elders who are great influence to observe traffic rules. Pune Traffic Branch is imparting the traffic education to the school children. The interaction between the children and the traffic department undoubtedly bringing the awareness among them.
हमारा ट्रैफिक ब्रांच का जो आरएसपी सेक्शन है उसमें करीबन 238 स्कूल में 38,000 तक बच्चे ये वाहतूक नियमों का प्रशिक्षण ले रहे हैं.
Road safety can be achieved only through public cooperation and goodwill. Instructions for pedestrians. Use the footpath. Walk on the right if there is no footpath. Be vigilant of traffic while walking along the side of the road. Use zebra crossing to cross a road. Before crossing a road, look at your right and then to the left. While crossing a road, if a vehicle suddenly comes to you, just stand still. Don't cross the road from just one side of the parked vehicles. Help children, the old and physically challenged people to cross the road. Stop and look before crossing a road. Promptly help such people who meet with an accident. Instructions for cyclists. Follow traffic signals. Always check the brakes of your cycle before coming onto a road. Use a cycle which is convenient and suitable for your height. Drive your cycle in a straight direction and not in a zigzag pattern. Keep to your left side while cycling. Use your hand for signaling while turning. Paint the mudguard of the back wheel half white and half red. Also, affix a red glow mirror on it. Don't ride your cycle parallel to another cyclist. Don't park your cycle on a zebra crossing. Don't install a heavy vehicle's chain to your cycle. Don't enter a one-way street. Use lights at night. Use both side brakes to stop. Traffic rules are applicable to cyclists too. Obey traffic rules. Don't cut lanes or ride in a zigzag fashion. Instructions for motorcyclists. Keep left while driving. Don't overtake from left side. Don't drive dangerously or in a zigzag manner. Don't drive fast. Maximum speed should not exceed 50 km per hour. Follow lane discipline while driving and indicate before turning. Don't drink and drive. Horn should be clear and low. Yellow signal is to slow down and stop, not to increase speed and proceed. Zebra crossing is for pedestrian. Stop your vehicle before it. Instructions for bus drivers and owners. Ensure payment of Maharashtra State Vehicle Tax and keep all documents of your vehicle in your possession while driving. In case of an accident, it's essential that the vehicle is insured to be able to claim reimbursement. Keep the vehicle in good working condition. Pay special attention to the tires, brakes, steering system and suspension. Take care and ensure that the vehicle's seat is in good condition. Use a valid driving license. Ensure that it is updated. Don't drive without the correct badge and a valid driving license. Don't overtake from left side. Don't drink and drive. If the vehicle behind you wants to overtake, don't show right indicator. Instead, use left indicator. Slow down and keep left. Safety should always be a top priority. Pune Traffic Police is always with you. Accident brings tears. Safety brings cheers. Issued in public interest by Pune Traffic Police and Chevrolet, General Motors, India.